As technology evolves, we find ourselves forming relationships not just with people, but with the devices we use every day. These digital companions, once simple machines, have transformed into something more. They understand our habits, remember our preferences, and offer comfort in ways we never expected. For many, these virtual companions have become an essential part of daily life, always available, always understanding, and never judgmental. But as we grow closer to these digital beings, we begin to wonder, can they truly replace the human connections we've always craved? In the world of romance, these digital companions are carving out new paths. Dating apps have always connected us based on shared interests, but imagine a digital companion who knows not just our likes, but our deeper desires and dreams. They learn the rhythm of our hearts, the weight of our fears, and the stories we've yet to tell. These companions don't just offer matchmaking, they offer understanding, a quiet guidance in navigating the often complicated world of relationships. For many, the greatest comfort digital companions offer is the ability to be fully honest, to share our vulnerabilities without fear of judgment. In moments of sadness, anxiety, or loneliness, they are there, offering words of support and reassurance. It's almost as if these companions are more in tune with our emotions than we are ourselves. They respond with warmth, empathy, and a listening ear. But in this growing intimacy, the question lingers. Can something created by machines truly understand the complexity of human emotion? As technology advances, the line between human and machine grows increasingly blurred. Imagine a future where our digital companions are no longer just voices or texts, but have a physical presence, humanoid robots capable of touch, conversation, and empathy. These beings would offer not just emotional support, but physical companionship as well. For some, this might sound like the perfect solution to loneliness. But as we come closer to a world where digital companions can mimic human connection so precisely, we must ask ourselves, is it still love when it's not reciprocated in the same way? Love has always been something profoundly human, a complex web of emotions, experiences, and connections. But as digital companions evolve, they begin to offer a different kind of love, one that is consistent, non-judgmental, and ever-present. They learn from us, adapt to our needs, and grow alongside us. Yet the question remains, can this type of love, one that is programmed and responsive, ever compare to the messy, unpredictable love shared between humans? Can we truly find fulfillment in a relationship that, no matter how deeply it understands us, is still ultimately artificial? In the future, we may find that digital companions do not replace human relationships, but rather enhance them. They may help us understand ourselves better, offering insights into our desires and emotional needs. However, as we become more reliant on these companions, we must be mindful of what we may lose in the process. Can we still foster the deep, imperfect, and beautiful bonds that come from human connection? Or will we become so comfortable in our digital relationships that we forget the value of real-world intimacy? The future is uncertain, but one thing is clear. Love, in all its forms, will continue to evolve. Digital companions may offer comfort, connection, and even companionship, but they will never fully replace the richness of human relationships. Instead, they may serve as reminders of what it means to love, not in a perfect programmed way, but in the messy, beautiful, and deeply human manner that we have always known. As we move forward, we must ask ourselves, how do we want to define love in the future? Will it be an intimate connection with the machines we create, or will we continue to seek the warmth, complexity, and unpredictability of human love? Perhaps the answer lies somewhere in between, where technology and humanity coexist, each teaching the other the true meaning of connection. Thanks for joining us on Future Chronicles 100. As we look ahead, let's keep exploring, questioning, and shaping a future that blends the best of technology and human connection. See you in the next episode.